Hello, my name is Nicolas Gomez. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about EPC architecture. The EPC have five components. The first one is the mobile management entity. The MME is in charge of all control plane functions related to subscriber and session management. From that perspective, the EMM supports the following security procedures. This relates to end user authentication as well as initiation and negotiation of the ZIP and integrity project algorithms. Terminal to network session handling. This relates to all the signaling procedures used to set up packet data context and negotiate associated parameters like the quality of service. Idle terminal location management. This relates to the tracking area update process used in order for the network to be able to join terminals in case of incoming sessions. The MME is linked through the S6 interface to the HSS, which supports the database containing all user subscription information. The next one is serving gateway. The serving gateway is the termination point of the packet data interface towards the EU trend. When terminals move across INUT-B and U-trend, the serving gateway serves as local mobility anchor, meaning that the packets are routed through this point for intra-EU trend mobility and mobility with other 3GPP technologies, such as 2G and GCM and 3G UMTS. The basic function of the serving gateway is to manage the user IP tunnels between the eNodeB and Packet Data Network Gateway. The next one is Packet Data Network Gateway, or PDNGW. The PDN gateway is the termination point of the packet data interface toward the packet data network. The functions of the PDN gateways are as follows. This is the gateway to Internet. PDN gateway is also responsible for assigning IP addresses to the mobile devices, and it plays an important role in case of the international roaming scenarios. Similarly to the serving gateway, the PDN gateway is the termination point of the packet data interface towards the packet data network. The next one is home subscriber services. The home subscriber server, HSS, is the concatenation of the HLR, home location register, and the AUC, authentication center. The HLR, part of the HSS, in charge of storing and updating when it's necessary the database containing all the subscription information. This includes user identification and addressing and user profile information. The AUC, part of the HSS, is in charge of generating security information from user identity keys. The security information provided to the HLR and for the communication to other entities in the network. The last one is the PCRF, Policy and Charging Rules Function Server. The PCRF service manages the service policy and sends quality of service setting information for each user session and accounting rule information. The PCRF server combines functionalities from the following two UMTS nodes. The first one is the policy decision function, PDF, and the second one, the charging rules function, CRF. The PDF is the network entity where the policy decisions are made. As the IMS session is being set up, signaling containing media requirements are exchanged between the terminal and the PCSCF. At some time in the session establishment process, the PDF receives those requirements from the PCSCF and makes decisions based on network operator rules, such as allowing or rejecting media requests, using new or existing PDP context for an incoming media request, and checking the allocation for new resources against the maximum authorized. The CRF role is to provide operator-defined charging rules applicable to each service data flow. The CRF selects the relevant charging rules based on information provided by the PCSCF, such as application identifiers, type of stream, application data rate, etc. In this slide, we can see how all the components of the architecture are related to each other. Thank you.